So now that we've covered the topic on the major players and the forex markets, we're going to be looking at types of retail traders, because we've clearly understood that we are the retail traders in the market. So basically, how many types of retail traders exist in these markets, and exactly how do they play, and how do they handle their forex business. So firstly, there are four types of retail traders. For you might probably find out there are a variety of much more other types of retail traders. However, for the purpose of this lecture, we are only going to be covering the major four types of retail traders. So firstly, we have scalp traders. We mentioned this in the previous video. I'm talking about scalpers being short-term traders, traders who go in for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, probably an hour. And basically, scalpers try to achieve the most amount of pips, the most amount of money within the shortest time possible. So the next type of traders we'll be looking at are the intraday traders. Now these guys open and close trades within a day. So which means they probably open a trade in the morning before the night when the market closes. They make sure they have closed that trade as well. So most intraday traders do not hold active trades for more than 24 hours. So if you understand the sessions, they probably open a trade by London session, and max before the next Asian session, they've closed the trade. So these guys who trade within a day are actually called intraday traders. And intraday traders now, these are guys who open and close trades within 3 days maximum. So intraday traders are the third type of traders, and these guys can hold trades for up to 3 days, which is literally 24 hours to 72 hours, and they are longer term traders compared to the scalpers and compared to the intraday scalpers. Next, we have the swing traders. However, understand that intraday trading, intraday trading, as well as swing trading are profitable ways to trade the forex market. And the swing traders are guys who open trades and stay in them for weeks, for months at times, and they accumulate most of the time the highest amount of pips, and their risk to reward is usually one of the biggest you see in this market. I mean, I've taken trades with a risk to reward of about 1:27, sometimes 1:50, and sometimes 1:4, and the like. So swing traders are the guys who actually maximize risk to reward the most, who maximize patience, discipline, and catch the most amount of pips, and in most cases that converts to making the most amount of money. I'm talking about pips, I'm talking about risk to reward. We're going to cover those topics in depth later on in the course. Thank you so much, guys.